Final week. Aren't you excited? So, this particular week, also I got my video fixed. Can't you tell? I don't know if that's a good or bad thing for you, but there you go. All right, so one of the things it says for the discussion is one of the most useful features of Access is the ability to interface data from other programs by exporting that data to another file type for ease of viewing or use. Thinking about your place of work, what would be the program you prefer to use to export data out of Access and why? The easiest way to think about this particular discussion is not everybody has access. Not everybody has access to Access. So if they don't have access to Access, how would you access the data that's in Access? That's a lot of times I've said Access. But the point being is that not everyone is going to be able to have that particular program. So how would you move data back and forth? For me, Excel's a big one because it kind of lends itself well to organizing the data. You can export reports in PDF. That's another possibility. Everybody should be able to get a hold of the PDF viewers. And there's a difference between reading the data and actually processing it in your database. So kind of think as you go through what options you'd want and how that would affect your place of business and what was the most effective way or what is the most effective way to get your data across. But this is the final week. It seems like everybody's learned quite a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with this week, as well as those discussion posts. Keep them coming.